friends, welcome to the Wednesday show. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to improve your soap and your overall safety by using lighting. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. If you've been here before, please enjoy and subscribe. If it is your birthday, happy birthday. We're going to talk about lighting today. When we first moved into this space, there were only 2 lights. And I don't know if you want to show around. And we moved from 2 lights to 6 lights. We installed the lights ourselves. But we're finding ourselves in the position, I mean, you can see here it's still fairly, what you would say, dark. And we do have a light here. Overexposed?
A little bit.
We do have a light here that can help us, but especially with filming, we'd like to have light that does not generate a lot of shadows. So right now we have here 3071 Kelvin. Okay, and we'll see if our adjustment will improve that. So we're going to do a fairly inexpensive and easy upgrade. Running lights, even though we've done it before, we consider doing that, but it is a lot of work, and really money-wise we wouldn't have saved money. By the time you buy the fixtures and you calculate the time you spend to install the fixtures, what we're going to do today, I think, is going to be equally as effective. So stick around and see how we're going to improve the lighting in our shop. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace one of the light bulbs with this fixture that allow us to connect 5 bulbs in one. And because these are LED, it's not going to overheat or anything. All our fixtures are LEDs. And this will take, and as you can see, it simply screws on. There's no wiring required. And it will take our light output from 60 watts to 300 watts with only a 45 watt usage. So this should make a big difference in our consumption. And I didn't buy the light bulbs at the dollar store. We're going to do the replacement. Again, if you have normal light bulbs, this will not be possible, because your fixture will have to be rated for 300 watts, which most fixtures are not, right?
Right.
But in our case, because we're using LED bulbs, first of all, I didn't have to worry about being burned.
Whoa.
Big difference, huh?
Well, on camera, certainly.
Alright, so I guess
And wow, yeah, actually for the whole space.
there, and then you need to rotate them, and there, and there. What do you think?
Yeah, let's start with that.
I guess there.
Okay.
And the difference in lighting actually is amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty significant.
Now, I'm going to have a link on purchasing this device. It's actually fairly inexpensive. It's about $14. It will be an associate link. So if you decide you want this, you can purchase it. It doesn't cost you any more, but we get a small fee for your purchase because we have become Amazon affiliates, and that will help the channel tremendously. So would appreciate if you like to purchase this item, if you actually do it through our associate link. So what it changed is it changed to The ISO, I don't remember all the settings. I'll have to look at it in editing. Okay, you see it keeps setting. But I mean, it is extremely more bright.
Extremely more better. Yeah.
It's better. What do you think?
Yeah, it's very significantly brighter in here.
And I'm going to buy another one for the car base, so when I work in the cars we have more light, because even with 6 lights here, we still have a little need for more light. Again, please look below, and if you would like to help the channel and you're interested in purchasing this, use our affiliate link. I hope you enjoyed this short episode and this tip on how to improve your lighting in your shop. Now for us, we needed it both because of production. We're filming, so we need more light to film better. Now the more light we have, the better the quality of what we film is, right? But also for safety, the more you can see, the safer you are. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
So, I'm amazed. I mean, I don't know if it came through in the video, but the difference in light intensity is amazing. Like this feels like, I don't know. Again, we went from 60 watts to 300 watts in that alone. I don't know if you want to go to one of them, which is 60 watts, and then come back to this.
The camera does a little bit of adjustment, but
Huh?
so the camera does a little bit of adjustment for the light, but
Right.
still I think you can see it.
This is getting overexposed,
Yeah.
so it will not even read. So, we're very pleased. What do you think? You think it made a significant difference?
Yeah, very significant.
We are very pleased. Again, these are dollar light bulbs. So for those 5 bulbs we paid, and they're LEDs, we paid $5. Probably we pay $14 for this LED bulb. There is a guy out in Canada that goes by Ave,
I don't know.
AVE, that does a lot of reviews, and based on his recommendations, actually, I've read a lot of positive things about the dollar store light bulbs, and at the minimum, it's worth investigating. All 5 work. We haven't tried them before now. We just took them out of the boxes, and they all light up, and they give us pretty good light. In fact, it's equivalent to all our other ones for each one of them, right?
Yeah.
Now, each of them consumes 9 watts of electricity, exactly how much this does. So we went from 9 watts to 45 watts, but we went from the equivalent of 60 watts of light to 300 watts of light, if I did my math right? So for 45 watts, we're getting 300 watts. I mean, it's amazing. If you like this video and you find this useful, please smash that like button. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Share, subscribe if you have not done so, and like our videos. And again, in full disclosure, the link below is an affiliate link, but it would help us immensely if you're interested in this project if you purchase it using our affiliate link. We will see you in a couple of days for our weekend show, and have a great week. From the Grass Woodwalker end,
Olpida.
have a great week.